Hello, my name is Alan. I am here today because I want to exercise my First Amendment right to protest, freedom of speech, and also my Second Amendment right. So you get two for one. I'm here because as a veteran, and a lot of friends of mine are veterans, I take affront to the fact of what's going on in the NFL. I'm a Giants fan, been a Giants fan since I was a kid. All this memorabilia means something to me. I mean, it was gifts from friends or I bought it. Um, so today, instead of doing what everybody else is doing, you know, they're setting their stuff on fire, we're going to blow it up because that's what we do in this neck of the woods. Roger Goodell, I don't think you handled the situation properly. So I'm done with the NFL. It's my right. Players, I get it. I understand, and I actually support your right to kneel and protest what you're protesting and trying to bring things to the forefront. But it pisses me off when people diss the national anthem and the American flag. I can't take it. I'm an American through and through, and so is my family and friends. And so we're gonna set this stuff up, and due to some really nice Tannerite, we're gonna blow it up. One of the pieces of memorabilia I have is this troll. He has a Giants jersey on. His name is Jerry, and he is gratefully, or actually wanted to give this up and put it in the pile. He'll have to run around naked for a while till I get him another shirt, probably a Yankee shirt, but he's going to give this up. So he's going on, his shirt is going on the pile.
There we go. Rip NFL.
Right now we're going to look at the damage. And there's pieces of it everywhere.
It really did tear it up.
Roger Goodell, New York Giants, this is what I think of you. NFL, go to hell.